Hi guys, welcome back to Poco News. Today I'm going to unbox and review the Poco F4. It's a new latest flagship phone for under budget price, and now I'm going to show you this way like a backside before going to the complete review. Now we have a specification over here. It comes with the Poco F4. This mobile was secured by Snapdragon 870 3.2 GHz flagship processor for gaming and ultimate fun entertainment purpose. And if you are a PUBG gamer and if you want to install any for gaming, this one of the best mobile for gaming purpose. All together we have for fluidic performance, and it comes with the Reality Flow 120Hz Full HD Plus E4 AMOLED display in Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And coming to the for smoother performance, this display works very well. And coming to camera department, comes with a 64 megapixel AI triple camera optical image stabilization for you can take good image with this mobile. Comes with a large area vapor chamber and graphite sheets, and it comes with 20 megapixel selfie camera, and it comes with 360 fast touch sampling rate like a Dell D5 RAM. Fast touch sampling rate comes with a like a effective smooth flow in the screen. It was one more important thing, it was made in now, and my variant is like a new Blade green 6GB 120GB variant. And I'm showing one more thing, it comes with a 67 watts turbocharging and 4500 microns battery. It comes with a dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, 3000 nits peak brightness, and 50 lakhs into one high contrast ratio. Let me quickly unbox this mobile now. I'm opening the box. Here we have a Poco manual. Inside will have a SIM ejector, everything, and this SIM ejector, and we have a case here, mobile case, along with it has a good quality, not okay quality, and we have to keep it aside. And we have a this mobile cover with this type of to protect your camera. And here is our mobile. It comes with we have a cable for like a charging and data cable. This is the ultimate bulk like a 64 watts Xiaomi communication core plating design. And here is the big like a brick 64 watts 67 watts fast charging capability charger. Here is the specification of this charger. I am keeping aside, and now it comes. Now I'm going to show the mobile. Here is the mobile you are viewing. This is a triple camera, like a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel secondary camera, and 2 megapixel micro camera. And it has a big size of flash to capture more brightness. And here we have a here you can see the Poco 5G is a 5G smartphone. And here is the top view. We have a notch like a notch camera, front camera. Below bottom we have a Type-C charging, like a Type-C charger. And I think we don't have a and top side we have a speakers and sensor holes. And left side we have a fingerprint. I think it's a fingerprint, as you know. Here is fingerprint and volume up down. And bottom I'm going to explain you about Type-C and speaker. Top like a bottom I think it's a mic. And here we have a SIM slot. This is complete review, basically like a review about this Poco F4 mobile. For more if you're interesting video, if you like this, make sure subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.